Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can use your YouTube as a music player in your Android mobile phone. If you want to use your YouTube as music player, like you are using your music player, you can off your screen while your music player is running. You can use your YouTube also as a music player. So there is one settings inside your mobile phone, so you have to enable that settings. I will show you where is that setting. So first of all, here inside about phone you can see I'm using Android version 12 for making this video. So here you can see, so this is the basically function of your Android version 12. So you will get this function inside settings. One special features option is here. Just open this special features, and here you will get the second one option, smart slide bar. Just open this smart slide bar, and initially when you open this will look like this. Now you have to enable, this function, and these all you have to enable, like a smart recommendations, show app name, hide floating bars. Just enable all these things, and now you have to come back to your YouTube. Just open your YouTube. Now you have to select any video. Just play any video, which video you want to stream in background. Just play any video, and then click on this slide, drag from this sidebar like this toward inside. Just drag from here toward inside, just like this, and you will get background stream option. Here you can see at the top background stream option. Just click on this background stream. After clicking, your will get minimized, and one notification you can see, YouTube is streaming in the background. This notification you will get, and now your video will be streaming in background. You can use your mobile phone as you want, or you can screen off your mobile phone, but your YouTube will continue in the background. Your YouTube sound will be continuing in the background. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.